Tengsimbert G Moment na Gosing Pita, North Garo Hills District, Upadai Unongwat Jing Tibling Bak Right to Information lani RTI, Ulabu da Jing Mudui Hakmat Kayeng Kashri Meghalaya, Loka Yukta, Persha Yau MLA barim ka Mendipathar, Umarthon J Sangma, Menha ka Khat Kandai Tare Ukolalingkot Arjar Pulai, Halor ka Nongrim ka Jing pyntreikam Yaka Scheme MLA, lani ka Special Rural Work Program, khlem debu kyndon. UAH Hazarika, Unong Yasa Jong Tengsimbert, Haba Pentip Yakani Shakilat Patai Kubor, Haka Arfulai Trip Kolalingkot Arjar Pulai Uloong. Baom Tang Yo MLA Barim, Henry Kajimudui Kalong Persha, Yo Deputy Commissioner, but Chairman DRDA, North Garo Hills District, Yo BDO Resubel Para, Yo Project Director Katanat Community and Rural Development Kasorkar Jilla, Kumjuru Yo Riu Shimat Ulatip Kerteng Kumu John Denver Sangma. Kaladan Kajing pyntreikam khlem kyndon Yakateka Scheme MLA Kabalong Hadu Kharwai Klor Tingka, Laong Hazarika, Ubala Bunrap Ru Baka Jing Menjur Aitin Sop Ying, Shakinong Shong Shnong ka constituency, Kamlong Satya Kabashai.
Misappropriation of the government fund by a local MLA of 38 Mendipathar ST constituency. Now in this respect, I am giving this press conference on behalf of my client, One Sri Tensing Bhat Ji Momin, who was a social worker in that area. So he filed an RTI. After obtaining the RTI, they have seen that there is much corruption, and the BPL family, this below poverty line family, was deprived of their right to get CGI sheet. So they have obtained 5 order sanctioned by the Community and Rural Development under the scheme called SRWP, that is Special Rural Work Program Scheme. And after obtaining these things, first one was sanctioned 13/12/2018, and amount of rupees 1,25,27,500 for 35 projects. Out of that, they are giving this amount for 1,25,000, 1,25,27,500 for CI sheet. This CI sheet mean for the BPL family, 610 BPL family, but for distribution of the CI sheet, basic rule is that first of all the local MLA, who is this Marthon J. Shangma, he have to provide the list of the BPL families, beneficiaries, to the BDO, and BDO will forward the list to the chairman of DRDA, that is DC of the district. After approval, money is supposed to be sanctioned. But after RTI information, it is found that there is no list of the beneficiaries. However, the money sanctioned for CI sheet, more than 1 crore of rupees, was withdrawn, and ultimately on the recommendation of the local MLA of Mendipathar constituency, was released to One Sri John Denver Shangma of Putimari, Mendipathar. He has drawn the money, but BPL families has not get the CI sheet, 3 bundle each of the family. And another also is there, that was sanctioned on 6 March 2020. Total amount sanctioned 1,35,55,000, and for CGI sheet 1,11,60,000. That project, there was a 45 project, and sanction for 600 BPL family 3 bundle each. Here also same thing is happened. There is no list of the beneficiaries which have to be approved. Without approval, BDO and DC cannot release the money as sanctioned by the government. But it is sanctioned and released on the connivance of the local MLA. So families are deprived of. And another also order has passed on 29 April 2021 for 46 projects. The amount was sanctioned 1,58,38,400, and for CGI sheet 1,14,01,800 for 613 BPL family for giving 3 bundles of CGI sheet to each family. As per the inquiry for BPL member of BPL family, it is found that no BPL family was getting this CGI sheet. That means money has been misappropriated and siphoned the money for their personal use and interest in connivance with 3 persons will be in connivance. Most connected is one is local MLA of Mendipathar constituency, another is the BDO, another is the DC plus chairman of DRDA. 3 persons are involved. Otherwise, this money cannot be released or drawn by any particular person. That is Denver Shangma. And another also is sanctioned on 7 March 2022. There was around 45 project. Amount was sanctioned 1,65,35,800. This money for construction of the market shed, urinal, toilets, waiting shed, but when they have inquired physically in the field, they have found nothing has been done. Lastly, they have sanctioned in 2nd December 2022. For CGI sheet, they have sanctioned 1,49,85,000, and for other project 92,75,000 for 16 projects. Here also same thing is happened. That means entire this social rural work program scheme money was siphoned off by illegal method. So there is a corruption cases as per this Preventive of Corruption Act. It is extracted particularly against these 3 persons. Now I am coming to other project. Then rural project, other side of the project, when my client has physically verified that 5 number of tube well sanction for the village Gazingpara, when physical verification, it has found that not even a single tube well was installed and given to the family members, villagers of that area. Another thing is that 4 number of seater paddle boat for 1 lake is there, Jolding Lakes. It is sanctioned at the amount of 75,000. It is also found that not even a single paddle boat was supplied to the organization which managed this lake. That is, that money also had been drawn and utilized for their own, but work has not been done. Then another for construction of the market shed at the rate of 1,25,000 at Jamgaon village market. However, when its physical verification was done, it has been seen that not even a single market shed was constructed, but money has already been drawn. So my client is contemplating to file a case against this Meghalaya Lok already been filed. It has not been registered, and thereafter investigation will be carried out against these programs. Just going, we'll wait. We are inquiring into this matter. We'll file it, this and that. Like there's 5 years gone, so matter is closing. So that's all, and I request all of you to do something in this respect, so poor people will get benefit out of the what is we call the MLA scheme. MLA scheme does not mean that this money is for the MLAs, because each MLA every year at least 2 crore are they are getting for developmental work, but no development has been done. If they will carry out exactly, you will see that not even a single village will be deprived of their pure drinking water, or the urinal, or the small footpath, or the waiting shed. All this will be available in the villages, but this thing is not there, because most of the electorate in Meghalaya, it's seen that they are illiterate and they do not know any other thing. If it will get 500 from the MLA, they are very happy, and they are forgetting that they are 95 rupees, in lieu of 5 rupees, 95 rupees is borrowed by this local MLA. They do not know all this thing.